Yeah, you're going to jail. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail.
Before this judge even finishes his first sentence, the tone of this courtroom is already set. No more warnings, no more excuses, and definitely no more chances. This isn't a single mistake. This is a pattern. A long, documented history of driving on a suspended license, no insurance, no valid plates, and repeated encounters with law enforcement across multiple cities. Bobby Lee Crandall isn't here for one bad day behind the wheel. He's here because the system has finally had enough. Multiple cases, multiple dismissals, multiple opportunities to fix the problem. And yet, the same behavior keeps happening. The judge lays it out clearly. 3 driving suspended charges in just 50 days. Over a dozen prior offenses going back more than 2 decades. Unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. No insurance. No valid registration. And while Mr. Crandall says he cares, his driving record tells a different story. The courtroom isn't debating intent anymore. It's dealing with consequences. So the real question becomes, at what point does patience turn into punishment? And when someone keeps breaking the same law over and over, should the system keep giving chances or finally draw the line?
Jail. All right, these are several cases involving Bobby Lee Crandall. That's you, sir?
Yes. By the way, how was your vacation?
It was good. I took the 4th of July off and got back to work. I also got sunburned.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order. I got stopped for driving suspended. Second offense and filed 25791 ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance and filed 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904 SM and 905 ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to 1 count of driving suspended second offense. And that would be in file 25791 ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case? Oh, wonderful.
He did, June 26th, you said?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it, but what does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904 SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that would be part of the package agreement.
Okay. All right, 1 DWLS second to encompass everything. Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Carries 2 points and requires that your license be suspended. You understand?
This is the moment where the judge shifts from listing charges to explaining consequences. Driving while license suspended, second offense, or DWLS2, isn't just a traffic ticket. It's a misdemeanor that can carry up to 1 year in jail, a $1,000 fine, points on your driving record, and an extended license suspension. The judge isn't just reading rules here. He's making sure the defendant fully understands what he's pleading to. Because once that plea is entered, there's no confusion later about the punishment. What's important to notice is how many charges are being dismissed as part of this package deal. The court is giving Mr. Crandall a break by consolidating multiple cases into one. But that break comes with a warning. This is the last stop before serious consequences. So when the judge asks, "Do you understand?" That's not just procedural. That's the system saying, "This is your final warning." Would you take this deal as a chance to change, or just another temporary escape?
I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're gonna plead a DWS second in file number 251241 ST. Dismiss all other files. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. You understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance, and improper plate. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive, right downtown. Where were you going?
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance, driving suspended. 3/11 of 18, driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016. And then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired. Proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related?
No, I don't
offenses?
drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001, when I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's gonna be dismissed. I just don't get it. All right.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
Yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes.
This is where the case takes a more personal turn. Mr. Crandall explains that his wife passed away 10 years ago, that he has no family support, and that he's been on his own ever since. And to the judge's credit, he doesn't dismiss that pain. He acknowledges it. He believes him. But sympathy doesn't erase responsibility. The judge makes something very clear. Personal hardship does not give someone permission to repeatedly break the law, especially when those violations put other drivers at risk. Driving without insurance, without plates, and without a valid license doesn't just affect the person behind the wheel. It affects everyone on the road. This moment shows the balance courts try to maintain, compassion without enabling dangerous behavior. So here's the question. Where should the line be drawn between understanding someone's struggles and protecting public safety?
Yes. All right. Well,
I got no family.
yes.
You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested, come back. They dismissed everything except this one year offense. They don't want me to put you in jail for 1 year. We give you a $75 crime victims' right fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $125 due by August 31/25. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah, yes. You're gonna stop driving a car. You owe me $125 by 8/31/25. Yeah, you're going to jail. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail.
After years of repeat offenses, the judge finally delivers the consequence Mr. Crannell has been avoiding: jail time. 7 days behind bars. No more driving. No more warnings. No more excuses. The court didn't choose this outcome lightly. The judge reviewed decades of driving violations, multiple recent arrests, and a clear pattern of disregard for the law. This wasn't about punishment. It was about protection and accountability. Even in the final moments, the court shows humanity by allowing Mr. Crannell to make a phone call to arrange care for his pets. Firm, but fair. This case sends a strong message. When someone repeatedly ignores the law eventually responds. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
For jail. You've worked your way up this calendar to the top of the list. 7 days in jail, you'll get a day of good time. You owe me $125 when you get out. You can go with a court officer.
Stand up, sir. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
don't have money right now.
You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Hands behind your back. And reach your hands further behind your back.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
Let's go, sir.
All right, Mr. Crandall, you're good to
When am
go.
I gonna be able to get out? Just a moment.
You'll get out in 6 days.
What is?
Yes, today's Friday. You'll probably get out next Thursday.
Let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right, we're gonna let you make a phone call, somebody to take care of your pets.